Hi, I'm Red, and I'm working here at the Houston branch of Regal Plastics. And today, for our lean improvement video, I'm going to be showing you all a jig that I made for a job that I have to make 100 boxes. So with the 100 boxes, the way they mount to the wall is you have two of these that are glued to the back of the box, and then you have two of these that screw into the wall, and basically they fit together like this, and it holds the box to the wall. So for 100 boxes, I need 200 of these, and I need to drill 400 holes. And if you go about it the manual way without really doing anything, I made a little demo jig here to show that you can, you put it on the corner and go ahead and mark your holes where it's going to be drilled. Mark it one on each side. Alright. And then we go over to our drill press. And so the way you would have to do it is line the drill with your hole, stop, and we'll go ahead and clamp it down. Alright, so there was one hole out of 400. So I realized that wasn't going to be very efficient, because then I would also have to turn the piece around, put the drill back down, clamp it again, and it would just take forever to do it that way. So what I did is I made a little jig that centers everything up for me. So this is what the jig looks like. It squares with the press table. And then this is the jig that I use my pieces to line the center of the holes up. So all I do with this, square it up, put one clamp here, and I put the other clamp here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and grab my next piece, and the way it works, when you put it in there, on the stop on this side, it centers the hole up where I need to be drilled on this side, and then after I drill this hole, I slide it over to this side, and it's already centered on the opposite side. So I'll go ahead and show you all that. And just like that, the holes are centered up where they need to be, and it takes 30 seconds a piece, 25 seconds a piece. And that will be all for today's lean improvement video.